Hello everyone and welcome to NewTek Tuesday Tutorials. I am your host Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I want to show you a feature on the TriCaster called Fade to Black, the end-all be-all button to press when you are finished with your show. Fairly self-explanatory, but there are a few things that I want to show you that may be a little helpful. So let's take a look. Alright, so here we are in the TriCaster TC1 interface. And I only have 4 inputs coming in here. My input number 2 here has some audio coming through, which you can see in the very bottom on the master audio. And now I want to show you where you would go to hit the fade to black button. So your show is over, time to stop, your show, everything's good to go, etc. What you would do on the interface, if you're using a keyboard and mouse, if you look right beneath the preview window here, you'll see a button that says FTB, which means fade to black. Alright, now I'm going to press that. Keep your eye on this program window here, and when I do that, you'll see that it does what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to go to black. And now you'll see that this FTB logo is, or button here, is just flashing. So if I go through and say I want to start switching a show again, absolutely nothing is going to happen because fade to black is still there. So always keep that in mind. You can possibly accidentally hit that button, but so if you see everything go black, that might be it. Let me go ahead and bring that back real quick. And now the next thing that I want to show you is I'm going to press it again, but keep your eye on the master audio down here at the bottom. So you'll see that I have my volcano eruption sound effect going on here, and if I click on FTB, not only will it fade out the video, but it will also fade the audio out as well. Cool, so it'll do everything for you. So that'll give you time to stop your stream, stop your recording, do all that jazz, etc. Alright, now the next thing I want to show you is going to be on the control surface. So over here, you'll see that next to our T-bar, as I have the FTB button or fade to black here, but if I press it, check this out. Nothing is going to happen. It's just going to blink at you, basically saying that you have not done this properly. And if I click this again, you'll see that not only did I do that, but it'll also light up the shift button here at the bottom. Which means on your control surface, if you're going through and just mashing different buttons, etc., you can't accidentally hit this button. So you have to do it on purpose by holding down shift and fade to black, and that will take care of it, and your interface will go to black. And if you want to get rid of it, just hit fade to black again, and you are back to normal. So a very simple and effective way to close out your show. A few little tricks and tips that are on this as well, so keep those in mind whenever you're doing your broadcast, but go out there and go forth and conquer. So fade to black is a simple and effective way to finish off your show. For more NewTek nuggets of wisdom, head over to the NewTek YouTube channel at youtube.com/NewTekInc and click on that subscribe button to get notified of all the latest information from NewTek. For more information on NewTek products and services, you can talk to your local reseller or visit our website at newtek.com. Also, tune in to newtek.tv to see NewTek product announcements, demonstrations, interviews with NewTek users, third-party developers, and a whole lot more. And finally, if you're posting your work or studio setup on social media, tag NewTek using the hashtags NewTek or TriCaster. We love to see what you're up to. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next edition of NewTek Tuesday Tutorials.